everyone, this is how to register YOS exam and how to pay. So some people have a problem in registration. You have to choose the Turkish version of the website, not the English one. I learned about this from one of you guys, so thank you. Okay, and then just choose the last one, which is for the foreigner living outside of the Turkey, and just simply fill up all your information. After that, you can use Google Translate, first name, last name, father name, mother name, place of birth and birth date, and female, male. Okay, Kadin is female, and your country, and you don't need to fill your passport or passport number, and the security code and your address, and then your country and phone number and the email address. And then press on this, and then you will be asked for the security code, which is given to your email. This is just a security code, and copy paste it and press on this, and then they will send you the account number, and this is your account number, and then password, and then you have to change the password in the login session. Now you can use it in English. And don't forget to choose your security question and answer. Now you successfully log into the account and just choose the exam in application process, and then you will be asked to upload the photo if you don't have it. So you have to select any compatible device. You can even use it in your computer. Otherwise, you can use it in your mobile. You can choose Turkish or English, it's okay. And you have to log in with your account number and the password that you change, the new password, if you change it. And then just follow the instruction. You should take the picture in this screen position using your webcam or use your front camera of the phone. After that, you will get like it's finished. Then after that, they will ask you to take a picture of your ID document like passport or your national ID, the front side and then the back side. After that, you will see this page with your photo, and then it is done. And then go back to your application page, and then you can start your application. And here you will see your summary of the information you already filled. And now you have to choose the detail of the exam, language, preference of the exam, English, French, Arabic. After that, it will be the location of the exam. So you can choose the one nearest to your country if you cannot find your country, and then after that they will decide where you can take the exam. If there are less number of applicants in that country, they will not let you take it in that country. So after that, just make sure you tick on that, the blue one. After that, you have to make the payment. Here it does say that it's not paid yet. Now you can press on the preview, and then it will show you all the summary of your information, and then click on the confirm, and make sure you also print out this form because you will need it when you go to the exam center. If you want to change it, you can press on go back to the application form and change your information. For the personal information, you cannot change anymore, so you have to call this number to make a change. But for your contact information, you can still change it. And also you can change the exam information. Now this is the fees for this year. So you have to pay before this date. It's in Turkish time zone, okay? Make sure. And you have to pay online, and they only accept the credit card, so they don't accept you to pay with bank transfer or anything. And now press confirm to submit the application. Now we will go back to another website. I will give you the link in the description. Click on e-transition and payments. Then here you have to sign in with your account number, the one you got it. Okay, and press on this YOS exam one and then your account number. It can be Turkish or English. So continue, and then you will see this page with your name, surname, and then exam fees. Now you have to use your credit or debit card, and then make sure you enter your card information correctly, and then the security code, everything. Okay, and then make pay. So here you can only use the debit card or credit card. You can use your parents' credit card. So here I will not log in my information here. Ziraat Bank is the one we will make a payment to that bank, not your bank. Okay. Enter your cardholder name. It can be your parents' name or your name. It is the name written on that credit card. Okay, and then card number is the same thing on that card, and then the expire date also on the same card, and security number is the back of the card. Normally it is 3 digits. You can enter that, and then select Visa or Troll or Master. This is the type of your card. It's written on the card, so just check the card. After that, press on send, and then they will send you like another security code to process your payment in your SMS, mobile SMS, or in email. It depends on your card. So just process following the procedure, and that's all. If you have any other question, please leave them in the comment section down below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.